Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use ZeroGPT. So without wasting any time, let's get started. ZeroGPT is an AI detection tool used to identify whether text has been generated by AI, such as ChatGPT. It functions by analyzing text at various levels, sentence, paragraph, and document, to determine the likelihood that the content was created by AI. ZeroGPT has been trained on a large dataset, which includes both human-written and AI-generated text. The tool is popular among educators and professionals who need to ensure the authenticity of written work. ZeroGPT offers different subscription plans, including a free version with basic features and premium plans that provide advanced AI detection capabilities, batch file scanning, plagiarism checks, and grammar feedback. To get started, visit the GPT website at zerogpt.com. You can access the platform directly from your browser without the need to download any software. Before using ZeroGPT, prepare the text you want to analyze. This could be a paragraph, an essay, or any document you are curious about. You can either copy and paste the text directly into the ZeroGPT or upload a text file if you are dealing with a larger document. Once your text is ready, paste it into the provided text box on the ZeroGPT homepage. If you are uploading a file, click on the Upload button and select your document. You need to click the Detect Text button to start the AI detection process. ZeroGPT will quickly analyze your text and provide a detail. Below the score, you will also find highlighted sections that ZeroGPT identify as potentially AI generated, allowing you to examine these parts more closely. If you are using the premium version of ZeroGPT, you have access to additional features such as batch analysis, which allows you to check multiple documents at once. Premium users can also benefit from plagiarism checks and grammar feedback. These tools are particularly useful for educators who need to access large volumes of student work quickly and accurately. After reviewing the results, if you find a high probability of AI-generated content and it raises concerns, you can report it for further investigation, especially in academic or professional settings. ZeroGPT also allows you to save the analysis report for future reference. And that's it. Using ZeroGPT is straightforward, and whether you're ensuring the originality of your work or verifying the authenticity of documents, ZeroGPT provides a reliable solution. Start analyzing your text today and take control of your content's integrity.